Hello sir, I'll be discussing to you the pay plan of Sakiko Affiliate Program. So this is based on the Philippine peso. So please just use a converter. To show it to you, I'll be discussing first the endorsement bonus, which is based on the affiliate that has signed up under your link. Again, affiliate, that's 960 pesos. If you take the full account, an affiliate with 1 year subscription, that is another 960. So that is a total of 1,920 for a full account. Okay, so you'll get 600. So where does the 600 came from? You get 480 for each affiliate account. You get 480. If that affiliate also subscribe for 1 year, you will get another 120 peso. So that's a total of 600 for the full account of 1920. But if affiliate only, you only get 480. Okay, so let's check it on the Google converter. So 600 peso, that is $10.47. Okay, so for 480, that is 8.37 for every direct referrals of yours. So that's the endorsement bonus. So there are also rankings here. Level 1, those are the people that you have directly signed up under you. If those people has referred someone, so that's they will be placed on the level 2. Okay, so level 2, you get 10% if you are on a hero rank. Also, if you are your rank is higher, like epic, titan, and legend, you get extra percentage from other levels. To get the hero rank, you just need to refer 3 persons and etc. On the epic rank, I forgot the exact number of persons, so we can discuss it later. Maybe we'll discuss it separately. So on level 2, I think you'll get around 96 pesos for each referral of those who are in level 2, and so forth. Okay, so this is the endorsement bonus. You get commissions from direct referrals, from the referrals of your referrals, and their referrals too, as long as you reach the higher rankings. So I hope it is clear to you. Regarding royalty income, the second one, remember, as I mentioned, there is a 1 year subscription here. So for every person that has availed the subscription, you will be placed on a matrix. So to show you what matrix is, this is what they call the matrix. Okay, so it is randomly placed for each level. What's good with Sakiko, sir, is that not only the people who has signed up, the affiliate, the members, also the products that are purchased on the company, whether it is discounted, whether it is sold SRP or on retail price, for each order, regardless of which, if it is a product, if it is a member, if it is an affiliate or a full account, each of them will be placed under the matrix. What's good with this is that it will randomly be placed for each vacant level from top to bottom. That means even if you have 1,000 direct referrals, it doesn't mean that all of them will be under your royalty tree. It will be spread evenly to each person on the vacant level. So company wide, that means it's a teamwork. It's a team effort. The effort of all will be spread to everyone. Even if the company has referred someone, it will be spread on the vacant levels. Also, the purchases, including the SRP sold products, the discounted products, it will all have an ID number. So that will all be spread on the matrix slots monthly. Regarding with the products, it will be monthly. So on the other month, it will be replaced by those who are on affiliate or a membership slot. So the slot will move, then the new purchases by the next months will be placed under the vacant levels. So the more the company sells, the more members that will join the company. It will be for everyone's benefit. Okay, so that's the royalty tree. So let's go back to the explanation here. Royalty tree, for every slot under you, you get 2.5%. So that is 2.5% of the monthly subscription. That is 80 pesos times 12 months. That is 960. Okay, so that's it's quite small. But if you have if the slots under you are filled up, so eventually it will be filled up. As the company grow, it will sell more. It will have more affiliates. So you get a maximum of 12 slots, 12 levels. I mean, for each level you get 2.5%. So if all of the levels under you are filled, you'll get 16,000 per month. Okay, so that's per month. That's not a one-time bonus. This is per month because we all subscribe monthly and the products are bought monthly. It will be placed on the slots. So that's per month. So if you reach the higher rankings like the icon rank, you'll get 262,000. So let's try to convert it on a Google calculator. Let's say 260,000. That's $4,500 per month. So that's how it works, sir. So that is called the royalty income. The royalty income is separate from the endorsement bonus. Okay. What if you do not like to subscribe? You just join as an affiliate to avail the product. So that's okay. If you're an affiliate, you still earn from the endorsement bonus, but you will not earn from the royalty income. If you are an affiliate, you can still sell products through drop shipping or personal use, but you will not earn from the royalty income. If you avail the affiliate account plus you subscribe monthly, you'll earn from the royalty income also. So that's how it works. This seems small, but in the long run, in the long term, as the company grew, because this is, as I've said, it's a team effort. So it will benefit everyone who has placed an early account. Okay. So what's good with this is that even the products are placed on the slots. So don't worry if the company is selling around hundred thousands or millions of products. It will be placed on the slots. So that's millions of slots to be placed monthly. So it will eventually help everyone to have an extra passive income through the royalty bonus. Okay, the royalty match. Royalty match is for your this is for your every direct referral. So you have to refer someone to earn a royalty match. So what is a royalty match? Let's say for example you have referred me. So let's assume that all of the levels on the royalty income on my side, let's say it's all filled up to level 12. So I'm about to earn 16,000 monthly. Since you have direct referred me, we will have a royalty match. So that's 50% of which 50% of 16,000 monthly. So that's another 8,000 for you, for every direct referral of yours that has been filled up on the royalty income. Even on what levels, even it is just level 1, level 2, as long as it is he or she is your direct referral, you'll get 50% of their royalty income monthly. Okay, 50%. Imagine if you have referred 10 persons or 100 person who is earning around 260k or 100k monthly, you'll get 50% from each of them. So that's a very generous amount. Okay, again, this process, or I mean this pay plan has been computed accordingly and wisely. So it will not overpay because it is just a percentage of the monthly subscription. So it may seem small, It may take some time or months or year to be filled up, but in the long run, just what I've said, it will benefit everyone. Okay, this is for you to refer as many as possible as you may, to build up your team so you earn more if you are a team builder. But if you're not a team builder, you just want to place an account, you still earn from the royalty income. So if the company has grown so much, imagine if the company is selling hundred thousands of products, so that's hundred thousands of slots. So eventually the level 12 will be filled up even if you don't reach the hero rank or the other ranks. You still benefit from this. But if you rank up, you get more benefits. So that is the royalty match. The retail commissions is very plainly simple. If you sold a product, it's cash on delivery on the Philippines. For now, we are not able to send products abroad through the system. We just accept orders from the Philippines. But if you have someone, if you have a relative from the Philippines, so they will receive the product, it's up to you, it's up to them to send the products abroad or on your country using a courier. But for now, the company only accepts cash on delivery or door-to-door delivery through the whole Philippines. Okay, so uh, that's the e-commerce program of Sakiko. So you get 85% of what? Of the percentage of the product. So let's say for example, this is quite confusing for some reason, because let's say for a product is cost around 200. Let's say the retail profit of which is 100. Okay, so SRP 200, the retail profit is 100. You will not get the 100. You will get 85% of the 100. So that is 85 pesos. The other percentage, the 15%, which is supposed to be yours, is it will be given to those above you. So those persons who have referred you from this is based on the Unilevel side. So it will benefit your team. So this is also a team effort. If your team is an active seller or is good in selling, you will also get commissions from them to the retail commissions. So this is the retail commission side. The iconic pools. So this is for those who have reached the highest rank, the icon rank. You'll get 2% of which 2% of the company's sales monthly. So you get 2% if you're alone as an icon. You're the only icon rank on the company. You get 2%. But if you have someone with you, let's say you are two persons who are on the icon rank, so the 2% will be divided by 2, so you get 1% each. So again, the 2% is divided on all icon ranks under the company. So this is big if the company is selling hundreds of millions. So that's an additional benefit for those who are in the icon pools, or those who will work hard to reach their rankings. Okay, so that's it. I will not discuss this anymore. This is for the double icon and the triple icon ranks. So just have to check it later. For affiliate rankings, so there are requirements. Let's say for an epic for the hero rank, you just need 3 personal members under your genealogy. That means you have referred someone, and those people, you just need 3 direct referrals. Let's say if you referred one person only, so it will not count, even if that person has referred to other persons on his team. It will not be counted because there is a max per leg, that is 1 per leg. Okay, so per leg, that means for every direct referral, you'll get a max of 1 only. So let's say for example you referred 10, so you'll be promoted to the epic rank. Okay, but for example if you have one referral only who referred 30 persons, so that means there are 31 persons under your team, it will not be counted because the max per leg will be 10 only. So for every direct referral, the max under him should be 10 only to be counted. Okay, so that's how it works. It may sound confusing. You just need to review it. So there you go. The Titan, the Legend, the Icon ranks, and the Double Icon, Triple Icon, they have their own requirements. So that's it. It is not too confusing, but it is a very lucrative program. Again, it's quite too small from your side. If you are on the side of a country which has a bigger earning percentage compared to us in the Philippines. So, but for the long run, it will benefit everyone, and also this is beneficial on you on your country. This is a too small amount. They can easily join, so it will not hurt their wallets because 1,920 pesos is just a small amount to them. So 1,920 is $33. It's a 1 day work. Imagine if you earn if in the US you earn $10 per day. So I mean per hour. It's just 3 hours of work from those people around you. So it will be very easy for them to join this program. Okay, so they can pay through USDT, crypto. So soon, the IT will open the PayPal payment, so you can insert your card. There's debit, credit card, and also we will be able to. We're applying for a GCash payment, so that's on a Philippine mobile wallet for Filipinos who are working abroad. So there's a different mode of payment. For the crypto, they are currently accepting Binance Chain USDT only. Okay, so soon they will accept other chains, maybe the Tron Network USDT. Okay, for the payout if you are abroad. So I think they will accept. They will only send you through the crypto payments because they haven't yet planned to accept other uh, nationalities. For now, they are only um, concentrated on the Filipinos. But since you have already know the program and you know how to speak, let's say some you speak some Tagalog, or you have a friend who is a Filipino who can help you join, so you can work it around. So maybe the payments will be through crypto or through your friend who will be referring you or will be helping you out. So for the payouts, the company could pay you through crypto payments, which you can exchange on your site. So that's it. I hope you've learned the program. You can review this video, you can read it on your own, and you can try to analyze it.